Hello, here at HotelContractBeds, our mattresses and divans are comparable to no other, giving luxurious comfort and untroubled sleep to the most discerning. Every bed is individually made to order by hand in our factory. Today, I'd like to show you our Posture 2000 model. This bed is part of our firmer orthopaedic backcare range, designed for those of you that prefer that firmer feel to a mattress. This firm feel mattress has 2,000 of our unique identity individual pocket springs, all working independently from each other, giving an excellent spinal support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be gently caressed as we top the firmer fillings with a supple layer of soft hypoallergenic memory foam to give a firm but comfortable night's sleep. The mattress surface is our exclusive 3D jersey knitted yarn, which is 100% natural and very soft to touch. We've incorporated memory foam to increase the comfort to the top of the mattress. It's exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure you stay dry whilst you sleep, therefore keeping your body at a constant temperature. Mattress borders are stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag-stitched turning handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh, the perfect solution for a cool, dry sleep.